In our budget for 2023-2024, we have major plans to open markets. As you can see, only today in Garissa Township, we visited 3 uncompleted or unfunctioning markets, one of them being Kiwanjabure or Liban Market, as I had changed the name earlier. We also visited Mukono, what used to be former Mukono land. Also, we have a stall project there, which we will complete, refurbish properly, and also ensure it's going to work sooner than later. So we have, the reason why I'm making this visit today is to ensure we have good money in the budget for these markets to be functionalized, and we are going to do that.